You're about to pour money down the drain. Literally. Right now, millions of American drivers are reaching for the same fuel injector cleaner they always grab. The one their buddy recommended, the one every YouTube video keeps pushing, and there's a very good chance you bought it yourself this year. Here's the problem. It doesn't contain a single molecule of the one chemical compound scientifically proven to dissolve hardened carbon deposits. I'll name it in this video. But here's the kicker. One product on this list can actually cut your need for premium octane fuel by up to 2 full points, saving you money on every fill-up permanently. I analyzed all 6 using SAE International Research, for oil fuel studies and verified mechanic data. Product links are in the description. Starting at number 6, Lucas Oil Fuel Treatment. Lucas is one of the most recognizable names in the additive space and has a massive fan base across the United States. But you need to understand exactly what it's doing for your engine and what it's not doing before you spend $1 on it. According to verified technical data from Bob is the Oil Guy, one of the most respected automotive chemistry communities in North America, Lucas Oil Fuel Treatment does not use PIEVA chemistry. PA, polyethyramine, is the only compound proven to dissolve existing hardened carbon deposits from your injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers. Lucas relies on a lubricant-focused formula, which prevents new light deposits but won't meaningfully remove what's already built up. A review on ChemDoctor.com rated it 3.5 out of 5 for cleaning power specifically because of that limitation. So where does Lucas genuinely hold its own? Lubrication and fuel system protection. It conditions your fuel pump, lubricates injector tips, and protects upper cylinder areas from wear. A single gallon treats up to 400 gallons of fuel, diesel or gasoline, making it one of the cheapest per-use additives on this list. For older vehicles, diesel trucks, or anyone wanting continuous low-cost protection between actual cleanings, Lucas fits well. Vehicle Bar's 2026 roundup suggests adding it every third tank for protection, at roughly 24 to 36 cents per gallon. You can grab it at Walmart, AutoZone, O'Reilly, Auto Parts, widely available in-store and online. If you want year-round fuel system protection on a tight budget, Lucas is a smart pick. Just don't expect it to remove the deposits that have already built up inside your engine. At number 5, Royal Purple Max Clean Fuel System Cleaner. This is a step up in cleaning power, and Royal Purple has controlled fleet test data to back that up. According to results from Royal Purple Fleet testing independently verified through Southwest Research Institute, a single Max Clean treatment improved fuel economy by an average of 3.2% and increased horsepower by an average of 2.6% across multiple vehicle makes and models. The same testing showed emissions reductions. Hydrocarbon emissions dropped 12% on average, nitrogen oxide fell 13%, and carbon monoxide dropped 18%. Those are real numbers from controlled testing, not just label copy. Max Clean uses PEA-based detergent technology, which immediately puts it in a different league from Lucas. It cleans injectors, carburetors, intake valves, and combustion chambers in one treatment, and works across gasoline, diesel, all ethanol blends, and even 2-cycle engines. It's EPA and CARB compliant, important for buyers in California and other strict emission states. One area where Max Clean genuinely stands out is turbocharged and supercharged engines. Multiple independent reviews confirm that Royal Purple handles the heat stress of forced induction engines particularly well. If you drive a turbocharged crossover, pickup, or performance car, pay close attention to this one. A 20-ounce bottle treats up to 20 gallons and is available at AutoZone, Advance Auto Parts, Walmart, and Amazon. Price runs between $11 and $20. Number 4, Liqui Moly Jectron. This is the European choice, and if you drive a German vehicle, a Japanese import, or any car running a Bosch fuel injection system, pay very close attention here. Liqui Moly is a German company and Jectron is TÜV certified, independently evaluated and approved by one of Germany's most respected technical testing organizations. That kind of third-party certification is extremely rare in the fuel additive space. Jectron cleans injectors, combustion chambers, and protects against corrosion. It's specifically designed for port-injected and carbureted gasoline engines, not diesel. According to Best Review's April 2026 evaluation, verified owners consistently report smoother idling, easier cold starts, reduced hesitation, and better throttle response, often after just a single treatment. One confirmed Liqui Moly customer documented on the brand's official product page that after using Jectron in a 2011 BMW Z4, an active diagnostic fault code for fuel mixture, error code 29E0, fully cleared within 100 miles. Liqui Moly also officially states that regular Jectron use keeps the fuel system in proper working order, preventing corrosion and deposit accumulation over time. For vehicles manufactured after 1975 with catalytic converters, Jectron is fully safe, price typically runs $8 to $15 per bottle, and one bottle usually handles the job. Available in-store at AutoZone and across major online retailers for those who prefer shopping from home. At number 3, BG 44K Platinum. And this one has a reputation that was earned, not manufactured. BG Products officially classifies the 44K Platinum as the #1 fuel system cleaner among automotive professionals. That claim carries weight because BG Products distributes primarily through dealerships, franchised repair shops, and professional service centers, not through typical retail auto parts stores. That distribution model alone tells you something about how seriously the professional mechanic community takes this product. The active ingredient is PEA, polyethyramine, and chemistry analysis discussed by verified mechanic users on BobBiz. The oil guy indicates that the PEA concentration in BG 44K is significantly higher than what you'll find in most retail consumer products. That high concentration supports one tank cleaning across the entire fuel system. Injectors, intake ports, fuel filters, combustion chambers, oxygen sensors, and even catalytic converter surfaces. BG officially documents that it reduces engine surge, misfire, stumble, hesitation, and power loss, all deposit-related problems. An independent test documented on the PANAU's Auto Fuel System Roundup in April 2026 showed footage of fuel injectors physically cut open after BG 44K treatment, confirming dramatic reduction in deposit levels. That's a real result, not a lab simulation. The drawback is price. A single 11-ounce can runs $18 to $27, roughly double what you'd pay for Techron. But for a vehicle experiencing actual symptoms, rough idle, hesitation, misfire, this is the product working mechanics reach for. Available through BG dealers, online retailers, and Amazon. At number 2, Redline SI-1 Complete Fuel System Cleaner. The product for anyone who wants maximum PEA concentration in a consumer bottle. According to material safety data sheets that Redline makes publicly available, SI-1 contains a verified PEA concentration of 30 to 50%. Most competing products don't disclose their PEA levels at all. That transparency is significant. As documented in verified Amazon Q&A threads and multiple independent forum discussions, Redline SI-1 contains the highest confirmed quantity of polyethyramine per dollar of any consumer fuel system cleaner currently on the market. That 30 to 50% PEA level does real work. SI-1 cleans injectors, carburetors, intake valves, combustion chambers, and pollution control valves using both high temperature and low temperature detergents simultaneously. That dual temperature approach matters because carbon deposits behave differently depending on where they form in the combustion cycle. The formula also includes a synthetic upper cylinder lubricant, a bonus that reduces mechanical wear in high mileage engines. One 15-ounce bottle cleans to nearly 100% efficiency in a single treatment and can treat up to 100 gallons in ongoing maintenance mode. A verified Walmart purchaser in February 2026 reported that fuel economy improvements from a single SI-1 treatment lasted over 1 month, significantly longer than what they experienced with Lucas Oil. O'Reilly Auto Parts stocks it in store. Online, find it on Amazon and Walmart for $15 to $20. So why is this at number 2 and not number 1? Redline is the most aggressive cleaner on this list in raw PEA concentration, and it's the specialist's choice for heavy deposit problems. But the number 1 product brings something Redline doesn't: widespread automaker endorsement, broader full system protection, and a maintenance profile that performs better as a long-term strategy across a wider range of vehicles. The number 1 best fuel injector cleaner for 2026 is Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus. Before you dismiss this as a safe, predictable pick, look at the data. Techron is recommended by a significant number of major automakers worldwide, not just promoted, but written into official owners' manuals. According to SAE International Research, cited across multiple independent industry sources, engines treated with Techron showed measurable improvements in fuel economy. AAA's own research confirms that fuel injector cleaners with proper PEA content, exactly what Techron uses, can improve real-world fuel efficiency by 2 to 5%. Now here's the octane surprise I teased at the top. Chevron officially documents that Techron Concentrate Plus minimizes deposit-related knock and ping, which directly reduces your engine's need for higher octane fuel. That's money saved on every future fill-up, and that benefit continues long after the bottle is gone. If you've been paying for premium when your engine doesn't actually need it once the deposits are cleared, Techron fixes that. There's also a unique benefit no other product on this list specifically addresses. Techron restores the operation of sulfur-contaminated fuel gauge sensors. That's a real issue on high-mileage vehicles. Your gauge starts reading wrong, and the natural assumption is a bad sensor. Often it's contamination. Cold start performance improvement is separately documented. Fuel stability protection is confirmed for up to 1 year, and the concentration of Techron in one bottle is up to 10 times higher than what Chevron adds to its branded fuel at the pump, meaning genuine cleaning power on a routine maintenance schedule. Price, $7 to $15, depending on bottle size. Found everywhere: Walmart, AutoZone, Advance Auto Parts, O'Reilly, Amazon, and Costco, in-store and online. Recommended interval is every 3,000 miles or at each oil change. It's the #1 best-selling fuel system cleaner in the category, endorsed by professional mechanic communities, including Bob is the Oil Guy. Now, the product I promised to name, Seafoam. It's one of the most purchased fuel additives in America, but according to Panaz Auto's June 2026 Buyer's Guide, it contains 0 PEA, the only compound scientifically proven to dissolve existing carbon deposits. A verified mechanic on Bob is the Oil Guy was blunt. Seafoam is probably the worst additive to depend on for cleaning a modern car's fuel system. Keep it for lawn equipment and use this list for your daily driver. That's every product ranked, every key fact verified. All 6 links are in the description. Whether you're heading to Walmart this afternoon or ordering from your phone tonight, you now know exactly what to buy and why. If this video saved you money or ended the confusion, drop a thumbs up. It genuinely helps. Tell me in the comments what you've been using. See you in the next video.